Yelo. Today is Saturday. Pareho kami ng Jamie, walang pasok. Pero to si Jamie, nagpapasama sa trabaho niya. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung kailangan niyang gawin. So ngayon, mag-breakfast muna kami. Pero maiba lang. Saan tayo mag-breakfast?
Sa Teams!
Sa Tim Hortons?
Oo.
Maiba lang na yun.
Maiba lang. Lagi tayo McDonald's eh.
Ayan, so nandito na kami sa Tim Hortons. Ano? Ano yun? Bago ba yun? Yun, medyo malamig. 2 degrees. Ito na yung pagkain namin. Ito, black lang to, di ba? Tapos ano yung in-order natin na food? Ano yung in-order natin na food?
Farmer's wrap.
Farmer's wrap. And yun, kaka-message lang sa akin ng anak ko na si friends yun nasa Pilipinas. So finally, dumating na nga yung NBI clearance namin. Wala lang, niready namin para just in case nga na lumabas nga yung TR to PR. Kasi as of now, hindi pa namin alam kung ano ba yung mga requirements doon. Pero binase lang namin yung mga kinumpleto namin na requirements dun sa last na TR to PR nga. So ngayon, at least meron na kaming NBI clearance. So hopefully nga, magkaroon na ng ano doon, ng guidelines kung ano ba yung TR to PR.
Ready na tayo.
Oo, and sana ma-qualify nga tayo para at least madagdagan pa tayo ng isang stream, hindi lang tayo maasa sa OINP. Kasi until now, wala pa rin draw. Pero sana nga next week merong draw sa OINP kasi ano na ba? Parang January, ano na ba next week?
5 plus 7, January 12.
Yan, dyan mo itong asawa ko. Pang sagot na naman ng survey. So ano na naman free mo dyan?
Eh di ano, $1 coffee.
$1 coffee.
Na ganyan.
Yan, nabubuhay kami sa ganyan eh. Like ito, pakita ko lang sa inyo. Ayan, ito yung sa PC ko. So meron na naman tayong 24,000 points. So meaning to say, meron ulit tayong $20 off kapag nag-grocery tayo sa No Frills.
Yeah. Tapos yung ano diba?
Ano?
Sa Costco, nasabi sa akin yung sa CIBC card ko
Oh.
na meron ano ulit, parang gift coupon on the way.
Talaga?
Yung
From
cashback
CIBC
ko.
naman? Hindi naman to from Costco mismo?
Hindi, magagamit mo siya sa Costco.
Ah, okay. Yun, tapos na kami kumain.
Parang masarap.
First time namin nakakain dito sa Tim Hortons na to. And ngayon, papunta na kami sa trabaho ni Jamie.
Antay mo lang kay Binit ha. Palamig ka muna dito.
Pala, painit. Yun, ano mo? Yung
Hindi,
kape
iwan
mo?
mo na dyan, sandali lang naman ako.
Sige. Yun, kasi kailangan nga magbandali ni Jamie dahil mamaya may appointment kami sa doctor. Kasi ano nga, nagpa-schedule kami ng annual check-up. So after dito, uwi kami, sunduin namin yung mga bata and then punta na kami dun sa clinic. And next week nga, sabi ko kay Jamie, so hindi ko lang alam kung nakita nyo dahil medyo maliit. Yun, baka next week pumunta ako dyan sa bank na yan para mag-open ng account.
I'm back! Yes, that was that.
So, masaya ka na naman.
Oo. Hey, one day. Thank you. Hinatid ba ka?
Bye.
Let's go home.
Ayan, nandito na kami sa bahay. So, gising na yung dalawang bata. Ayan. Sky, come back here. Ayan, kunin na naman yung iPad niya. You eat first. What? Come here.
Got dollars and dollars. And look, got money. Money.
What will you do with your money?
Spend it to go to Great Lodge Wolf for
Great Wolf Lodge.
Yeah, for 1 million days.
Ayan. Ito kasi mga bata. Gusto ulit pumunta dun sa Great Wolf Lodge. Sky, let's go!
Don't bring your piggy bank. We're not going to...
Tara.
No.
Wala na nga, snowy. The eyes are getting...
Ayan, punta na kami sa doctor.
Summer.
Let's go, Sky.
It's only feeling summer.
It's summer. It's still cold.
Look at summer. You almost see my face in my book.
Where's Enzo? Uy. Come here. You're not wearing your jacket, Enzo. Dito na kami sa clinic. So hindi namin alam kung gagawin dito sa dalawang bata. So hindi ko alam kung meron bang kailangan na immunization or wala. Pero mamaya after, gusto ko sana pumunta ng Square One. And then hindi ko alam kung sila Jamie parang gusto ata pumunta sa library na katabi lang ng Square One. Tignan naman natin ng Square One. Yan, para tahimik sila. Yan si Enzo, behave. Ito si Sky. Okay. Sky, what are you doing? Pero mamaya, ito yung tatanong natin
Ano?
kung magkano. Yan.
Mga non-COVID.
Definitely hindi siya covered na OHIP.
Kasi
Pero-
mga cosmetic.
Pero tanong natin kung baka kaya i-cover ng insurance. Kawawa naman itong dalawa.
It's part of growing up.
I want to eat some chip.
Yan, so tapos na kami magpa-check up. So far, clinically, okay naman kami. Pero kami ni Jamie, meron pa kaming blood works na kailangan gawin. And kanina, tinanong namin yung circumcision para dito sa dalawang boys.
Yes, 9 to 13. And then, dun lang sa clinic naman nila ginagawa.
Pero yung cost nga, tinanong namin kung magkano. Sabi, mga 900. Pero since 2 years pa from now yun, so baka maging 1,000 na. So, pabalik na kami sa sasakyan. Pero si Sarah, gusto magpahatid lang sa Erin Mills. Hindi ko alam anong gagawin niya doon. Pero kami nila Jamie tsaka ng mga bata, baka pumunta kami sa Square One. Pero si Jamie parang gusto niya pumunta rin sa sa library doon. So tingnan lang natin mamaya. Buti na nga lang din Saturday kami nagpa-check up. Kasi kapag Monday to Friday may bayad yung parking. So at least ngayon wala kaming kailangan bayaran. Pati yung check up walang kailangan bayaran. So andito kami sa Erin Mills. Supposed to be the drop off lang namin si Sarah. Kaya lang nagutom na kami dahil inabot na kami ng 12:30 doon sa clinic. So after this, tsaka na lang kami pupunta ng Square One. Dahil akala ko nga dito na lang kami magsistay eh. Pero yung mga bata, gusto talaga pumunta doon sa library. Dahil sabi nila, ito mommy and
The boys date.
the boys date. Ayaw nila akong kasama. So gusto kumain.
Ang cute, parang sarap dyan, turtle jumps.
Ako, never pa rin ako nakakain dyan. Pero mukhang mahal kasi. So, saan nakakain?
There's a food court.
Food court. Ayan, akit na. Food court. Yan, so mukhang mapapagastos na naman kami. Dahil in-advise nga kami ng doktor na maglagay nga ng humidifier sa kwarto. Although meron kaming isa, pero si Sarah din, kailangan niya. Kaya kailangan pa namin bumili ng isa. Ito nga rin sana yung gusto kong orderin. Magkano to? Tikman lang natin. Sarap naman. Pag wala lang longganisa. Tayo naman nahanap ng kakainan. Actually, merong Bourbon Street Grill din. Pero tingin muna tayo. Yan. So, nagpaikot-ikot pa ako. So, alam nyo na kung saan ako nag-end up. Ito, sa Bourbon Street Grill. Itong dalawa naman na to, galing na nga sa doktor. Sinabihan na nga sila na kumain ng vegetables. Sa pumunta rito, yan, AMW yung gusto. Yan, pero meron lang po yan. What's that? Sky?
Apples?
Apple? What are you eating? What's that?
French fries.
Healthy.
Healthy. Ano yan?
Chicken, ano yan? Honey Rouge. Dapat siya yung kakain dyan. Naisip ko ako na lang.
Sarap.
Ano?
Ayun, humiwalay na sa amin si Sarah. So ngayon, papunta na kami sa Square One. Yung ito mga itong punta sa library. Pero ito, umiiyak dahil, ano ba? Dahil lobat na yung iPad niya.
Oo, hindi mo daw chinarge.
Saan? Ah, kagabi?
Kasalanan mo lahat. Lagi kasalanan mo.
Kaya nga, ako na lang lagi may kasalanan.
Okay, so we are going to the... Where are we going, boys?
Mommy,
So, ayan yung
Yeah,
library na
money.
pupuntahan namin.
mommy, you have money?
Why? What? Are you asking me?
Yeah, you have money.
Why?
Because I want to eat ice cream.
Wow.
I get ice cream.
No, it's so cold. Why do you want ice cream? So, it's Mommy and Enzo and Sky's date today.
Yeah. Can we go to McDonald's? No. That's not it.
I'm seeing a Tim Hortons. Did you see a Tim Hortons there?
Can we go there and eat donuts?
Yeah, let's try to go inside the library first. Come on.
Okay. After we're done, Mommy, can we go and eat Tim Hortons?
Let's
Mommy,
see. Hmm.
Mommy, I pee first.
Okay, let's try to go inside first, okay?
Mommy, first we're going to find a bathroom and we're going. Wait, I found Tim Hortons. Mommy,
Wait,
there's a logo of Tim Hortons.
I know.
Tim Hortons. Tim Hortons.
Mhm.
It's Tim. No,
Let's go inside.
no, it's Tim Hortons. Timbits.
Okay, wait. So I think ito na yung children's area. Yes, yes, you can go inside. So merong mga CDs
Wait.
dito na pwedeng
I'll try to
hearing.
see.
No, 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 no.
What is this?
That is if you're
That's
going to
Lego.
watch it. Yeah, let's hear first. Enzo, what are you doing?
What are you
doing?
Just playing.
Oh.
Wait for me.
How old are you?
How old are you?
Wow, you can read.
What about me?
Wait.
What do we do here?
Now, what are you doing, Enzo?
Just play more puzzle.
Over there. Sky, would you want to play in the other computer?
Mommy, wait. I'm too far. I think put in more closer. There.
Okay.
No, 6, 7.
Okay. Okay, go.
Wait.
You know how to use it?
No.
This one is puzzles. What do you want to do? Nice. Wow. What does it say? Great job. You did it. Okay. Press on the green button so you can play another one. Yeah. Drag the mouse.
Hey, where's the mouse?
You're holding it. So, ayun na nga, kumuha ako ng library card. Yan, kasi meron ako dating virtual, pero it seems na kailangan kong ipasok yung physical library card para magka-access sila sa computers dito. So, ang bilis lang naman dito, kunin po talaga sa customer service, nag-present lang ako ng ID ko. And then, ginawa na nila. So, yun, exciting. Let's go! So, someone found something. Yeah, hang on. Which one are you going to play? This one? Yeah, it is. There we go. All good?
I need to get wood.
Okay, use your hands actually. Yeah, because you chose easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
How we change?
You win! It's a memory game. You like it? Again.
Get me first.
I won!
How did you win?
This one, okay.
Is this mine?
1 point for Sky. So we're done for today. Tumawag na si Mike. Puntahan na daw namin siya doon kasi tapos na siya. So ngayon punta lang kami sa Tim Hortons kasi gusto ng Timbits nitong dalawang ito. And may Tim Hortons nga dito. Okay. Order lang kami ng Timbits. Which donut do you like? Which
I want
donut do
the
you like,
chocolate.
Enzo?
I want the chocolate one with the chocolate in the top.
How about you?
This is this.
Okay.
This chocolate dip. Wait, I want to see. This no?
Taking a bite. There.
Taking a bite.
So did you guys have fun today?
Yeah.
You enjoyed? You like to come back? How about you?
Yeah.
You like to come back?
I enjoyed
What's your
our
favorite
day.
part?
About
What?
the laptop.
What did you say?
I enjoyed our day. The
Our
laptop.
date, you like it?
Like the laptops.
The laptop, you like it?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, so papunta na kami ngayon sa Square One para i-meet ulit si Mike. At I think baka umuwi na kami after that, right? Gonna go home afterwards. What is it?
Ice cream.
Yeah, that's right. Come here. So, eto na. Malapit na kami
Hi,
sa Square
Ron.
One. Yes, you can. Go.
You didn't say the A word.
Yun, magkakasama na kami. Te, kamusta ang inyong date?
Kasi, tanong mo sila.
Ha?
Tanong mo.
Enzo, Sky.
Enzo and Sky. Daddy
Tingnan
has a
mo.
question. Daddy has a
Oh,
question.
how was your date?
Good.
Good? What did you guys do?
What did you say a while ago? It was
You-
the...
Best day ever.
Best day ever na naman. Yun, so ngayon, uwi na kami. Sa bahay na lang uli kami kakain. Sa bahay na tayo kakain,
Yes,
May kakainin pa naman tayo.
Yep. Unless
Lakad muna
inubos ni
tayo.
Sarah yung ulam. I don't think so. Pero yes.
Did you enjoy going to the library?
Yeah, but wait.
Did I hear it right?
Did you went to that kind of library?
Yes, she went to that kind of library.
When you go to the library, I'm coming with her.
Oh, now you know.
Yun, so malapit na kami sa sasakyan. So in summary, good experience today. And thankfully kami na pare-pareho naman kaming healthy. But of course, ayun nga, kailangan pa nga namin magpa-blood works ni Jamie.
Boom, boom. Me first. Me first.
Kaya siguro hanggang dito na muna uli. So again, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!